Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto series. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to transfer your Ethereum, or ETH, straight to your bank account in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process has gotten even more user-friendly, but it's still important to do it right to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're cashing out investments or just getting started, let's break it down step by step. First things first, make sure you have a secure crypto wallet or an exchange account set up. In 2025, options like MetaMask or advanced platforms like Coinbase Advanced are top picks because they integrate seamlessly with new regulatory tools. If you haven't already, download one and verify your identity. It's crucial for compliance. Next, log into your wallet and head over to the exchange feature. Here, you'll sell your ETH for fiat currency, like USD or EUR. With 2025's updated interfaces, this is as easy as selecting your ETH balance, choosing the amount to sell, and picking the current market rate. Remember, crypto prices fluctuate, so keep an eye on that to maximize your returns. Once your ETH is converted to cash, it's time to withdraw it. Go to the withdrawal section, enter your bank details, and initiate the transfer. Most exchanges now support instant transfers thanks to blockchain improvements, but double-check for any minimum withdrawal amounts or processing fees, which can vary. Now, a quick word on security and regulations. Always enable two-factor authentication and use a VPN if you're on public Wi-Fi. In 2025, new global rules might require additional KYC steps, so stay informed to avoid delays. Also, don't forget about taxes. Many countries treat crypto sales as taxable events, so track your transactions for reporting. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have your ETH in your bank account in no time. If you run into any issues, reach out to your exchange's support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.